This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Allene Anderson. 14.7 acres of beautiful gently rolling land. End of the road privacy and unrestricted. Potential for mountain views with great building sites for your home or mini farm. Not far from the Ocoee River to enjoy rafting, fishing or boating. Also convenient travel to surrounding towns of Blue Ridge, Georgia, Murphy, North Carolina, as well as Cleveland and Chattanooga, Tennessee. Be sure to take a look at this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Allene Anderson at 706-632-4070.